Something I like doing between other things is stretching the capabilities of the Visionary Render APIs. So in this case, I've used them to build some plugins which enable me to dictate annotations using my voice rather than typing. So if I was going to do design review of this part here, maybe I noticed that these things are red. I would like them to be blue. So I would add an annotation using my annotation tool, and my plugin has supplemented this with a small floating dictation button. So if I press this, this should be blue instead of red. And stop dictating. While I'm here, I also notice this text. This text should be blue as well. This text should be blue. And there we go. So the real value of this comes from being able to do it immersively. So I can enable my annotation tool from here. And then click on one of these parts. This thing isn't big enough. And as you can see, I'm fully immersed in a headset and I'm still able to annotate and make notes during my design review, even though I don't have keyboard access.